Diaspora mortgages, yes. Mortgages exist for non-Ghanaian residents, i.e. individuals that do not live in Ghana that wish to purchase property in Ghana. You can access what is called a diaspora mortgage to purchase that property in Ghana. Now look, this is the number one question I get asked about all the time. And in this video, I'm going to be giving you the lowdown, the ins and the outs and everything in between. So make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you like, you comment and you subscribe, and let's get right into it. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel and my Diaspora to Home series. And I'm really excited about this video because it is the number one question I get asked all the time. But I want to let you guys know, this is my bread and butter. I am a mortgage broker. I help people and I consult with people that want to purchase property in Ghana. So please, all those DMs about how do you do that? How do you do this? This is actually the reason why I've done this video, but also the reason why I have an ebook out and available for people that want to know how to actually get a diaspora mortgage in Ghana. And you can also consult with me as well and reach out to me and we can have a one-to-one and I can help you with my done for you service that will allow you to actually have me by your side, right? And handhold you through the process of purchasing a property in Ghana. So I'm going to try and break down what is a diaspora mortgage, how to get it, the various ins and outs of it, in 10 steps, hopefully 10 steps, right? But as I said, my service is available to anybody that's ready to take the next step. Please do reach out to me and we can make this a reality for you. What is a diaspora mortgage? A diaspora mortgage essentially is a financial product that's specifically designed for the Ghanaian diaspora to help them to actually get on the property ladder in Ghana. Right, so let's say, for example, you are keen on purchasing a property to live in Ghana or to invest in to generate some rental returns, right? Whilst you're not living in Ghana, you can actually get a diaspora mortgage, right? It can help you with various aspects, and we will go through that entire thing through the 10 steps. But it's specifically tailored. It's a mortgage that's specifically tailored to help people that don't have all the money available purchase a property, right? They can actually do this through what is called a diaspora mortgage. Who is eligible for a diaspora mortgage? There are so many different banks in Ghana. Actually, there's only a handful of banks in Ghana that actually provide the diaspora mortgage, right? And they provide it for two distinct audiences. One is non-Ghanaians, so i.e. they do not have any ties or links to Ghana and they don't live in Ghana and they're keen to purchase property in Ghana. Or number two, you can demonstrate you are Ghanaian through heritage, parentage, or citizenship, and you do not live in Ghana. So the mortgage is for people that do not have Ghana as their primary residence, right? Maybe you come in and out, but it is not considered your primary residence. So typically the most common people or the individuals that typically get the diaspora mortgage are Ghanaians that can demonstrate they're Ghanaian through Ghanaian heritage, parentage, and citizenship, like I said, and they do not live in Ghana. So maybe they live in Australia, Ghana, sorry. Maybe they live in Australia, Germany, that's what I was meant to say. Germany, Amsterdam, Netherlands, the UK, Canada, USA. I'm just trying to highlight the places that, you know, most Ghanaians tend to go and gravitate towards. But you can be living in any one of these places and you can then also you could be entitled to a diaspora mortgage, depending on a few things, by the way, right? But that is typically through the fact that you demonstrated your links to Ghana. And if you are not a Ghanaian, you can get the non-Ghanaian version of the diaspora mortgage. I hope that makes sense. Now, some people do ask me if how the whole credit checks and things like that work. What you normally do is you normally have to provide a copy of your credit history or your credit report to the bank. And so the bank would actually then verify all of your existing liabilities and your outgoings, etc., and your credit worthiness, and they'll do an assessment based on how much you earn and how much you have in terms of liabilities, and actually assess if you can actually afford the mortgage and what interest rate they're going to give you. Okay, so it is dependent on those mainly two factors. So, but the question I get asked all the time is that when you get the mortgage in Ghana, does it affect your credit score in the UK or USA, etc.? The banks won't tell you this, but it doesn't. It doesn't affect your credit score because they don't have the ability to actually check, and the bank does not add your liability in Ghana to your overall credit reports. I don't think the bank likes me saying this, but yeah, that doesn't happen. So they won't know, basically. So at the time of me recording this, FYI. Okay, so but yes, as I said, there is a requirement for the bank to do due diligence on you and the fact that you can actually afford the mortgage by actually checking your credit report, and you have to print that off from your official website like Experian, Expedia, I was going to say Expedia, Experian, Equifax, check my file, all those ones, and we'll get on to the next step where we'll talk about all the documentation that you actually need. Guys, I do hope you found this video useful. And if you're interested in finding out more about Ghanaian Diaspora Mortgage in Ghana, then please do reach out to me. You can leave a comment below if you found this video insightful as well. But I do have a number of other videos available, so please do go and check those out. You can also check out my ebooks. You can check out my toolkit. You can book a consultation with me. There's so many ways for you to get in touch and also use my services as well. Now, if you haven't done so far already, please do make sure you like, you comment, you subscribe, and you share this video as well. But guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye. Hey guys, I do hope you found this video useful. Now, if you're interested in finding out more about how to purchase property in Ghana and generate some rental returns from it, then do check out the link below to my online masterclass, which takes you through my 10-step process to help you to get on the property ladder in Ghana and generate some rental returns from it as well. So don't delay, just click on the link below and I will see you in class. Now, if you haven't done so far already, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Continue to like, follow, share, do all that good stuff, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.